Doctor of Letters in this university. And in token thereof, you have been presented with this diploma, and I authorize you to wear the gown and hood ordained as the insignia of your degree.
Dr. Prasad Thotakura's message on this occasion.
The chief guest of the convocation today, Dr. Kasturi Rangan, other august and distinguished members on the dais, graduating students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor and a special privilege for me to receive this honorary doctorate from the very noble universities on this earth, especially under the leadership of the great visionary, the president of the Geetham University, Dr. M.V.S. Murthy Garu, Chancellor, one of the internationally renowned parapsychologists, Professor Koneru Ramakrishna Rao Garu, Vice Chancellor G. Subramanian Garu, Pro Vice Chancellor Harinarayan Garu, Registrar Potaraj Garu, the management of the Geetham University board members. I sincerely, from my bottom of my heart, I thank you for conferring this great honor on me. I dedicate these honors to my parents who gave me birth, the teachers who taught me, and my immediate family members, and thousands of NRI friends who support me in carrying out several cultural community activities for more than 25 years on foreign land. I want to be very brief, especially a piece of advice to the graduate members from this university. Now we are entering into the free world where you have a lot of choices to make. From within these four walls, you are entering into a wide area where the competition is very, very high. That is you to make choice whether to succeed or fail. Especially while you are entering into different fields, either career or higher education, the persistence, the dedication, and commitment is more important. Probably some of you might be thinking of coming to USA. I want to give you a clear picture of USA. Don't be so crazy about USA. There are not better than schools than Geetham University. This is one of the finest universities. But I don't want to undermine the opportunities exist in USA. That is one of the finest countries on this earth. the land of opportunities. If you want to come to USA, come with a clear consciousness, dedication. There are a lot of opportunities in USA. But without having a commitment, there is no point of coming just for visiting USA. You don't deceive yourself or don't deceive your parents who worked very hard to see you grow and prosper in this world. You might have seen a lot of incidents in the press. A lot of students come to some fake universities, get in trouble, and where some students die in accidents where they don't follow the rules and regulations. Wherever you are, either in India or in the US or in either country, you need to respect the land of the law. If not, you will get into trouble. So remind yourself all the time for what purpose you have been coming to other countries, especially to USA, and think yourself what you want to achieve out of your higher education or technological advancement. Wherever you do, whatever you do, never forget your motherland. Extend your helping hand to the needy people, especially in this country. You may live forever, but never forget your heart should be about the parents, about the community of this, because you have been given a lot of plenty of opportunities to prosper and grow. I wish you all the best, and I want to see you succeed in our life. And if you need any help, especially with foreign universities or coming to USA, my doors are always open. You can contact me anytime. Wish you all the best. Thank you much.
Presentation of the Best Researcher Awards.
Let the recipients of the Best Research Award be now presented.
Permit me to present to you the candidates for the award of the best researchers. Professor P. Sheila. Professor P. Sheila, Professor of Finance and the Vice Principal of the Institute of Management, has authored and co-authored over 20 articles published in refereed journals. Besides, she has done projects relevant to societal needs. Professor Sheila's productive exploration, zealous investigation, and incisive analysis are a result of her love for research and unflinching spirit. Her numerous publications and involvement in funded projects are of great assistance in providing useful guidance to her scholars. The next person, Dr. Rama Rao, Associate Professor, Department of Biochemistry, Geetham Institute of Science, has published over 40 research articles, including articles with the highest impact factor of 8.65 in reputed journals like Cancer Research and Cancer Gene Therapy. Dr. Rama Rao's research work has paved the way to identify the promising targets likely to be useful for the development of therapeutics and in treatment of breast cancer and brain cancer.
the cause of sound learning and to set an example of high principles and conduct. Do you promise that you will, as far as it lies in you, uphold and advance social progress and the well-being of your fellow men? Do you promise that you will faithfully and carefully fulfill the duties of the professions that you are trained for, and you will, on all occasions, maintain their purity and reputation, and that you will never deviate from the straight path of their honorable exercise by making your knowledge subservient to unworthy ends?
Presentation of degrees and diplomas.
Let the candidates for the degrees and diplomas be now presented.
Admission to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Technology, and Bachelor of Technology in Engineering.
Mr. Chancellor, permit me to present to you, in accordance with the grace of the Board of Management just passed, the candidates whose names are herewith submitted for admission to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Technology, and Bachelor of Technology in the Geetham University. Faculty of Engineering, Doctor of Philosophy, PhD in Computer Science and Engineering, Bellamkonda Vijay Kumar. PhD in Computer Science and Engineering, Murali Mohan Waka. PhD in Computer Science and Engineering, Syed Rizauddin. PhD in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Penumatsa Venkat Ramaraju. Master of Technology, first rankers, MTech Biotechnology, K. Aparna. MTech CAD-CAM, Dandu Kishore Kumar Raju. MTech Digital Systems and Signal Processing, Vejendra Kishore. MTech Machine Design, M. Krishna Tatavarti. MTech Power Systems and Automation, Ram Manohar Mokarala. MTech RF and Microwave Engineering, Mulukutla Nagavenkata Pawan Kumar. MTech Software Engineering, Brahmani Devi Achanta. MTech Structural Engineering and Natural Disaster Management, Amirineni Lakshmi Deepak. M.Tech VLSI Design, Chandini Yadav. M.Tech Industrial Engineering and Management, Sarbraj Singh Anand. M.Tech VLSI Design, N. Sumant Babu Naidu, Paidi. Bachelor of Technology, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Gold Medal for Best Outgoing Mechanical Engineering Graduate from GIT Visakhapatnam, Bibhar Biswas. B.Tech Civil Engineering, Chimakurti Venkat Lakshmi Harini. B.Tech Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Kapilvai Chandrasekhar. B.Tech Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Kundrapu Siddhartha Naidu.
In the name and on behalf of the Board of Management of Geetam University, I admit you to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Technology, and Bachelor of Technology in Engineering in this university, and in token thereof, you have been presented with these diplomas, and I authorize you to wear the gown and hood ordained as insignia of your degrees.
Admission to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Philosophy, Master of Business Administration, Master of Business Administration Integrated, Master of Human Resource Management, Master of Science in Applied Psychology, Bachelor of Business Management, Bachelor of Business Administration Honors, Bachelor of Business Administration, and Postgraduate Diploma in Risk and Insurance Management.
Mr. Chancellor, permit me to present to you, in accordance with the grace of the Board of Management just passed, the candidates whose names are herewith submitted for admission to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Philosophy, Master of Business Administration, Master of Business Administration Integrated, Master of Human Resource Management, Master of Science in Applied Psychology, Bachelor of Business Management, Bachelor of Business Administration Honors, Bachelor of Business Administration, and Postgraduate Diploma in Risk and Insurance Management in the Geetam University. I request all the students of Geetam Institute of Management, Hyderabad Business School, please rise from their chairs. All the management students, please rise from your chairs. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD in Finance, Ramavat Ramachandra Nayak. PhD in Human Resource Management, D. Rajanandan. President's Gold Medal for overall first ranker in Management Studies from Geetham Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam, and first ranker in IMBA, Integrated MBA program, Poonam Kanaria. President Gold Medal for first ranker in MBA from Geetham Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam, P. Pooja Naidu. President Gold Medal for first ranker in MBA from Hyderabad Business School, Bindu T. Master of Human Resource Management, Himabindu Kolluri. President Gold Medal for first ranker in Bachelor of Business Management, Dronamraj Sirisha. Bachelor of Business Administration Honors, M. Avinash. PG Diploma in Risk and Insurance Management, Pamidimukkala Sri Pooja.
In the name and on behalf of the Board of Management of Geetham University, I admit you to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Philosophy, Master of Business Administration, Master of Business Administration Integrated, Master of Human Resource Management, Master of Science in Applied Psychology, Bachelor of Business Management, Bachelor of Business Administration Honors, Bachelor of Business Administration and Postgraduate Diploma in Risk and Insurance Management in this university. And in token thereof, you have been presented with these diplomas, and I authorize you to wear the gown and hood ordained as insignia of your degrees.
Admission to the degrees of Master of Business Administration, International Business.
Mr. Chancellor, permit me to present to you, in accordance with the grace of the Board of Management just passed, the candidates whose names are herewith submitted for admission to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Business Administration in International Business in the Geetham University. Doctor of Philosophy in International Business is awarded to Mr. R. Mohan. President Gold Medal for overall performance in International Business MBA program is given to Mr. K. Sriram Pattudu. Geetham Teachers Gold Medal in International Business for the first ranker is given to Mr. Sitaram Raju Mudunuru.
In the name and on behalf of the Board of Management of Geetham University, I admit you to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, MBA International Business in this university. And in token thereof, you have been presented with these diplomas, and I authorize you to wear the gown and hood ordained as insignia of your degrees.
Admission to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Philosophy in Science, Master of Science, Master of Science Integrated, Master of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Computer Applications, and Bachelor of Environmental Management.
Mr. Chancellor, permit me to present to you in accordance with the grace of Board of Management just passed. The candidates whose names are herewith submitted for admission to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Philosophy in Science, Master of Science Integrated, Master of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Computer Applications, and Bachelor of Environmental Management in Geetham University. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD in Biotechnology, T. Uma. PhD in Biotechnology, Duddi Prasad Noka Ramakrishna. PhD in Biotechnology, Susila Branham. PhD in Biotechnology, Radha Krishna Igala. PhD in Biotechnology, Nakka Srinivas. PhD in Biotechnology, N. Gopi Reddy. PhD in Environmental Science, Duvvada Mallikarjuna Rao. PhD in Environmental Science, Apta Chaitanya Dodlanki. PhD in Environmental Science, Korla Swapna Vahini. PhD in Environmental Science, Kaiser Hussain. PhD in Environmental Science, Muhammad Mahbub Pacha. PhD in Environmental Science, M. Kiranmayi Reddy. PhD in Environmental Science, Balijepalli Padma Priya. PhD in Applied Mathematics, Sirisha Veeramachaneni. PhD in Applied Mathematics, Chivukula Sunita. PhD in Biochemistry, Venkatasmita Pandurangi. PhD in Biochemistry, Seema Kumari. PhD in Chemistry, Sumalata Buntula. PhD in Physics, Kishore Babu Dasari. PhD in Microbiology, Gaurav Pant. Master of Philosophy, MPhil in Applied Mathematics, Dasari Raghuram. MPhil in Applied Mathematics, G. Sivanaga Malleswar Rao. MPhil in Chemistry, Vaddi Dhilleswar Rao. MPhil in Environmental Science, N. Gayatri. MPhil in Environmental Science, Bujjibabu Miryala. MPhil in Environmental Science, V. Divya Rao. MPhil in Microbiology, L. Supriya Gajaganti. MPhil in Microbiology, Ritu Narayanan. MPhil in Physics, M. Venkata Someswar Rao.